cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power. I got the keys.
Hi everybody, what is up and welcome back to a new video. Today finally is arrived the day. Basically, since I purchased the Ford Ranger Wildtrak 3.2 liter engine, I wanted to make something more to make my experience while driving, mostly off-road of course, while I'm driving into the forest, to make it more special, more reliable, and most of all just to feel more sure and secure when I'm driving to the forest. So I decided to mount a new 16 inches alloy wheel rims and new tires for all-terrain so that I can just go in safe into the mud, the snow, ice and so on. And since then my performance while driving off-road, it gets much better and better. But I wanted to do something more. After the great performance that I had with all-terrain wheels, I decided to make something more. I always loved the Raptor style, of course, so I decided then to turn my Wildtrak into a Raptor, which I really want to thank Logan 4x4, the website, for allowing me to have all these kits in a very short time and at a very good price. And now let's do the magic happen. Let's go to meet Matej, the guy who's going to mount all this stuff on the Wildtrak and turn it into a Raptor. Go!
Pardon me and my tone. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin. I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a pastor, doctor. I got a 6 cents for imposters, so now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game, why you playing with me? You could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power. I got the keys. Cause I break the chains. They try to hold me. I'ma push back. Just wait and you'll see. Please excuse me, your honor, but you can't hold me no longer. Can't you feel the vibrations? I broke out and left traces. Go ahead, try catch me if you can, man. You'll be looking all night, I'm the Sandman. New York, London to Japan. I'ma show the whole world who I am. Boom. Major look, huh? Yeah, this one is for the books. All these chances I took still. I move straight on these rooks now. Hold me up or hold me down. Have my back or hold my crown. Either you with me or not, but you better give all you got, cause I break the chains. Can't control me.